Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to open long and short positions on MEXC Global. If this helps you, hit like so more people can find it. First, log into your MEXC Global account and make sure you have funds in your trading account. To open a position, go to the futures or margin trading section depending on the type of contract you want to trade. If you want to go long, you're basically betting the price of the asset will go up. Select the asset you want to trade, click Buy or Long, enter the amount, and choose your leverage. Once everything looks good, confirm the order and your long position is open. To go short, you're betting the price will go down. Select the same asset, click Sell or Short, enter the amount, set your leverage, and confirm. This will open your short position, allowing you to profit if the asset's price decreases. Make sure to monitor your positions carefully and use stop loss or take profit orders to manage your risk, especially when using leverage. That's it. Opening long and short positions on MEXC Global is straightforward once you understand the process. If this helped you trade smarter, hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.